This is the world of company secretaries. On this channel, you can watch interviews with company secretaries across the world. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. How would you share your thoughts to the students about the struggle which they have ahead? Because they always see it as a struggle. When I asked you initially, you said it was not really a struggle or challenge, but I enjoyed it and you could sail through this. So, what made you enjoy, and what is your message to the students who are doing the course?
I think the way to enjoy it, okay, according to me, is to plan, to have a schedule in place. The minute you have a 6 month schedule, saying, okay, I have 9 subjects or 6 subjects, and I have the next 6 months or the 9 months, and I'm going to make out, a particular timetable, and I'm going to stick to it. Yeah, there will be some days where you may take more time, or you're unwell, or something comes up that you're not able to stick to that particular. It's okay. That doesn't mean that the entire schedule you put is useless. At least 90% you should be able to stick to that timeline. You know, okay, I can do only this much in a particular day, or maybe within 2 weeks from starting that schedule, you realize, okay, I think I've set an unrealistic timeline for myself. This is something that I may not be able to do. Or you'll probably realize, you know what, I'm better off studying in the morning than studying late into the night, or during the day, maybe in the afternoons, where generally, it's a little more silent and people are doing their own work. You also probably are able to study better, right? So you yourself will understand, instead of waiting till the last moment and then trying to cram everything and study everything, I think it's easier to plan well in advance. And compared to the resources that we had 10 years ago, which was only the CS material that the institute gave us, right? I wouldn't say, I mean, they can put only that much in it, right? For somebody who wants a different perspective, or a little beyond the book, to understand what is in that book, or to get a practical feeling, we had no resources. I mean, today there are so many YouTube videos, there are so many platforms like, Excel itself. There are so many such platforms that help students who are out there. There are videos, there are audios, there are articles on the internet, so much for you to read, right? So when you put all of this together in a meaningful way, I think that it doesn't appear as a struggle. It would come across as a journey that you will enjoy. When you look back at it, these are your golden days where you can actually study and actually learn. Because once you're through this and you get into the profession, you literally do just that particular deal or that particular client. What is the work? You'll do that much. That's it. And once that client, that assignment is over, you move on. It's not like that stays in your mind, or you've studied it, or it's just not like that. It's different. So enjoy this time as a student and study adequately, so that you use all the opportunities that come your way.
Yeah, I think I'm sure students will be really motivated and inspired by this interview. So thanks a lot, Goda. That was Goda Raghavan, partner at AK Law Chambers, who is a lawyer and company secretary, who shared her experience right from the day when her dad gave her a form and said join CS, till the day recently where she closed a 100 crore private equity deal. So thanks a lot, Goda. Thanks a lot for joining us. We look forward to have you in the future also.
My pleasure. Thank you so much, Alfred.